Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Elevate with Dr. Khizer Ahmed. Today I will be telling you people how you can make use of stories to drive engagement from your audience, followers or whoever watches your story. So let us start off now. Coming to the first point, why stories matter. Instagram stories appear at the top of the feed. So everybody knows this. They help you stay visible and build real-time connections with your audience. So let us go to the next point. Engaging story features. So how you can engage and what all features you can use polls and question stickers to spark interaction, countdown stickers for event promotion, swipe up links to drive traffic. One more point I'll tell you people, call to actions, use the CTA. So if you swipe up connect them to some website links and add DM for direct inquiries, highlight upcoming offers or deals if you're a business. So you have to track engagement also so that you know who is interacting. Use Instagram insights to analyze, that is view per story, tap forwards and backwards, exit rates to optimize your content. So I want each and every one of you to please like this video and comment something on this if you have any doubts so that I solve this out. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this videos. Have a great day.